Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll walk you through how I created this beautiful hairstyle from start to finish. So all you need to do is to sit back, relax, grab your popcorn, grab your drink, and then I'll be right back.
Oh, it's Rita, baby.
Welcome back guys, my name is Rita. So let's dive right in. I'll be showing you the extension I'll be using. This is a Cherish Water Wave extension. I'm using one pack for this hair, so the extension is about 3 in 1. So what I did here was just divided the hair. I cut the hair into 2, which I'll be showing you here. Don't mind my scissors, it's just not sharp enough. So I started separating the coils and setting them on my braiding rack. Once the coils were ready, I started by massaging my client's hair and applying leave-in conditioner, which I didn't show you here. I did that off camera, so you will see it along the ways anyways. And after applying the leave-in conditioner, I comb my hair through to detangle it. So the next thing I did was to use a dread gel. It's also a braiding gel. I used that to define clean lines for parting, and then I section her hair into smaller parts to make braiding easier for me. So to begin the braiding process, I divided her hair into smaller sections. If you've watched this video up to this moment, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. You can also follow me at RiriWandinobi on Facebook and Instagram, and at Rita on TikTok. Once I'm done sectioning the hair, I took one part of the section, I divided the hair into 3 little parts, and then I started looping it around each other. As I braided the hair, I stopped along the line to add the curly hair extension gradually. Before I forget guys, please don't forget to watch my advert to the end. Any ads you see popping up, please guys watch to the end. It really helps to support my channel guys. Please, thank you. Once I got to the ends of her hair, I used this coil maintenance to twirl around her hair just to make sure everything is in place. Moving on, guys, so this is a leave-in conditioner I made. This is an aloe vera leave-in conditioner. If you want to know how I make it, please visit my page. You will see the video in there. You can click on the link on the right hand side of this video, and then it will take you directly to my page to watch the video on how I made the leave-in conditioner. Then I apply this in her hair, comb it through, and then I make sure that the hair is fully detangled before I start to section the hair once again. So guys, the technique of doing this hair is when you take the natural hair, because I didn't add any extension apart from the curly extension, so I started braiding with our own hair. This is giving us, like they said, knotless, a clean knotless look. Okay, so what you need to do is braid down the hair first for about like 5 times, then you attach the coily hair to it. Make sure you use a clip to hold it, so that if you know that you don't want it to be destructing what you're doing, or so you have to just use the clips to hold it in place. Then you continue braiding, and then you get another hair extension, the curly extension. You also add it to it, use a clip to hold it down, continue braiding, bring out the remaining piece of that curly hair out. You can use another pin or another clip to hold it if you have more, or you can loop it around the ones you have already. Then you continue braiding, and once I got to somewhere around, not towards the end, just somewhere here, then I divided the hair into 2 parts, then I twisted everything down before using the coil maintenance cream to rub at the tip of the hair and square it, and that's it. One thing I love about this style is how lightweight it feels. Despite its volumes, it doesn't put tension on the scalp, which makes it a much more comfortable option compared to heavier hairstyles. This also means that the style can last longer while remaining gentle on the hair and scalp. So guys, you will notice that throughout the braiding process, I used the same technique to ensure consistency. At one point, I noticed the hair was getting a little dry, so I sprayed it with a little mix of water and leave-in conditioner. This simple trick softened the hair, making it easier to braid and reduce breakage. Once I finished braiding the entire head, the hair was looking so voluminous. To reduce the volume and give it a more natural look, I sprayed it lightly with water mixed with leave-in conditioner. This step helps the curl settle and make the style look even more polished. Afterwards, I went ahead to trim off some excess to ensure the ends were neat and uniform. But before trimming the excess, I applied the coil maintenance trim to tame flyaways and enhance the coils, making them pop beautifully. The finished hairstyle turned out absolutely gorgeous. However, I'm not entirely sure what to call this style. It has a boho vibe, but I would love your input. Please let me know in the comments what you think we should name this hairstyle, and also tell me what you think about this hairstyle in the comment section. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Your support means so much to me and I would love to hear your feedback. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for all you've been doing. Thank you for supporting my channel. And to my newbies, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And also don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. And thank you so much for tuning in. And this is the final look, guys. Do you love the style? Let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.